Hopped on a branch where the flowers grew. She chirped a tune so sweet and clear. Come play with me, the day is here. She flapped her wings and soared so high, painting loops across the sky. Down to the meadows, soft and green, she danced on daisies, a playful queen. Tweet, 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 she called her friends. The fun today will never end. They joined her games, they flew in rings. Oh, what joy her laughter brings. The sun went low, the sky turned gold, but the little bird was still so bold. Good night, dear world, she softly said, and curled up snug in her leafy bed.